What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare for the first update in Grow a Garden 2. I'm going to show you anything I know that you to get enough shekels and everything to you to prepare for the first update. So first thing you're gonna do is buy seeds. Like bamboo is really good for beginners. If you're like poor as me, I am pretty bad, then you should buy a lot of bamboos, collect them, and if you should use bamboos with sprinklers to get them big and everything. I don't do it because I'm poor, and but yeah, this is my collection of bamboos right now, and I'm gonna show you if you're taking these bamboos. Wait a second. Wait, no, I'm gonna use no. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to get a lot of shekels. You don't have to just you don't need to just sell them right away, but you need to, let's take like pineapples. It's just, you should do it with the bamboos. You go to sell. You do not sell your inventory, but you're gonna need to click whatever is this, and then it costs so many shekels. This to cost more. Like for example, you talk to Steven. Then you ask how much is like this worth. This is 800. Okay, whatever, these are to 800 or something, right? And then you click that. Then you bargain your inventory, cost 500 shekels. You buy that. What? Okay, I don't know what just happened, but if you do this, then you buy this, and you get like, then your seeds or whatever cost more shekels than it should. And yes, I'm telling you, you need to do this with bamboos because it's the best thing. Second, third, or whatever. Oh, shop restocked. Wait a second. Bamboos. And if you see bamboos, you need to buy them. They're really good. Okay, nothing on the stock. Second, you need to go to gears and buy gears. And for example, you need sprinklers, but there's no sprinklers. Okay, there's a rare sprinkler, and if you have money, then buy sprinklers, everything. I'm gonna buy these because they help. And then I put bamboos. Wait a second. I water them, and they grow much faster. But I usually do that with bigger plants like dragon fruit, banana, coconut, and just grape and everything like that. But bamboos I just collect because then I wait for some mutations. And yeah, third, you need to wait for mutations so your plants can get mutated, and then they sell for more. And one tip more is actually I'm doing it pretty wrong. You're gonna put your seeds like bamboos on one place. You can do that in Grow a Garden 2, and you can put them on only one place. So yeah, it doesn't take that much room, but I mean my garden isn't that like messy, so I can do that. Wow, Starfall. Starfall is actually really good. I don't know what it gives. Starstruck. Yeah, it gives it gives 50% more money than usually. So we're gonna just wait. And yeah, comment down below, do you play Grow a Garden 2? I'm trying to prepare for the first update. And yes, that is pretty much it there is to say, but I'm still gonna play for a little bit. When is the seeds gonna restock? Okay, there's nothing here. Okay, now the minute is over. Wait, what is that? Yeah, the minute is over. I'm gonna harvest everything I have, but not bamboos. So let's see how much can I get. Oh, I'm really nervous. Okay, I can take pineapples, but whatever. I don't need them. Bro, let me. What is happening, bro? Let me, please. Yes. Every banana I have. Wait a second. Yep, everything is fine. Oh my god, this dragon fruit looks big. Wait a second. I need to get up the dragon fruit. I can't. I'm not good at obbies, by the way. Wait, I'm not gonna go. I need to get here. Bro, please! I'm gonna rage quit, bro. No! Okay, whatever. I need to do something else. Wait, maybe I can... Yeah, I'm smart as hell. Wait. I'm gonna climb one of those bamboos. Gonna jump to the banana. And then the dragon fruit. Let's go. I can't take this? What? Bro! I can't take any of these. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna sell this. Wait, let me now see. Can I do the bargain? What you like? Yes. Why? Disabled? What do you mean disabled? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna sell them. How much I get? Bro, only 41. Okay, bro, I'm gonna stay poor. And I think it's the end of the video. I hope you learned something that you need to do before the update. And please like and subscribe. Bye.